Hi everyone, welcome to Rollout Savings. I'm Danielle and I'm here with your Dollar General couponing any day deals. These deals can be done any day this week, and they can also be turned into a 5 off 25 deal for this Saturday. Our cheat sheet is available to print out for free. As you can see here in the screenshots I'm sharing, this is our cheat sheet for the week. P&G, if you have not activated your P&G where you earn back the 3 off 301, 5 off 501, whichever one that you had in your account, those are still available. I do not have deals included for those in the any day deals, but I will link to last week's video in the description box if you'd like to check those out, because we do have some in there. So let's hop right into our deals. These deals are carrying over from last week. For $7.25, you can get your Finish tabs, your Mr. Clean eraser, and the Mr. Clean liquid. For $13, you can get your Swiffer Wet and Dry and a Mr. Clean liquid, and that would be $13. Up next, for $8.70, you can get 2 of the Colgate toothbrushes and 2 of the Colgate Optic White toothpastes. For $5.50, you can get your Oral-B toothbrush and your Crest 3D White toothpaste. For $8.25, you can get your Colgate Optic White toothpaste and the Crest Enamel Repair Gum toothpaste. For $11.95, you can get the 2 razors you see here, which is the Gillette Venus and the Gillette Mach 3. For $6.95, you can get your bag of Loves and a Small Spaces. You can get 2 Pampers for $17, and those are on sale 2 for $20. And then this deal here for $3.80, you can get your Jif or your Smuckers, and also check your Fetch rewards for points on those. If you do not have Fetch, I will have that link down below in the description box as well. Sorry, so tongue-tied. For $15.95, this is a new deal. You can get your Tide Pods and your Suavitel fabric softener. On this deal here for $6.45, you can get the Suavitel fabric softener and your Gain liquid. For $15.40, you can get your Gain Pods and the Lysol laundry sanitizer. For $12, you can get your Purex and your Fabuloso. For $8.50, you can get your Tide liquid and the Dollar General True Living disinfecting wipes. For $9.35, you can get your Charmin Essentials toilet paper and a Kleenex 3-pack. For $13, we have a baby deal. You get your pull-ups and your Huggies wipes. This deal here for $11.50, you will get your Huggies diapers and the Huggies wipes. For $9.90, you can get the Suave shampoo and conditioner, deodorant, and also the Nivea tin. For $10, you can get your Crest, your Fixodent, and your Oral-B floss picks. For $8.50, you can get your Fructis shampoo, conditioner, and your Gold Bond lotion. For $8.25, you can get some Poise pads and the Whole Blend shampoo and conditioner. For $4.65, you can get your Mucinex Fast Max and the Mucinex InstaSoothe Drops. For $7.25, you can get that Robitussin cough and chest congestion plus some Advil. Then we have for $10.75 the Children's Advil and the Zarbee's Chest Rub, and that would be $10.75. We have a food deal for $11.50. You can get your Pepsi 18-pack plus 2 Doritos. For this deal here, for $7.50, you're going to get 2 Tombstone pizzas and 2 Tombstone pizza sticks. And this last deal here, for $3.60, you're going to get your 1 liter of Pepsi, your mini Doritos, and 2 of the Knorr cups. Again, check Fetch rewards for points back. They have been having some amazing deals. I will link to everything below. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you get notified of our new content. You can find us in all the places you see here, including rolloutsavings.com. Again, I will have everything linked below for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back soon with the next big deal. Bye, guys!